I am going to tell you. Now, this is very important. Now, if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, then if means this is the necessary condition. This is the necessary condition. If we don't have congruency, two figures are congruent, we will not discuss this theorem. Condition. So if two triangles are congruent, then we can say then their corresponding parts will be corresponding parts of congruent.
Corresponding part?
Yes, I'll tell you.
Corresponding parts are what?
I'll tell you. Don't be interested.
Yeah, whatever.
Come on. Then their corresponding parts of congruent triangles will be equal. Yes, what do you mean by the corresponding parts? Now we can discuss. Come on, please ask your doubts, whatever in your mind. So then their corresponding parts of congruent triangles
like they're like
be equal.
what are corresponding parts?
So this is my triangle ABC.
Wait, first I will write it down.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Okay.
So have a look. So two triangles ABC and PQ are the congruent by side rule, right?
Yeah.
So triangle, it is given that triangle PQ ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by side, right? This is something which is given. So their corresponding parts of the congruent triangles will be equal. So just have a look. ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, where AB equals to PQ. What do you mean by the congruent? If two figures are congruent, that means both the figures are exactly same. We will say two figures are congruent only if they are exactly
same.
Exact same. Means all the sides must be same, all the angles must be same, every corner, every curve, everything must be exactly same. Means that should be a photocopy.
Okay.
This is the meaning of the congruence, right? So now, as you know that congruence means, sir, everything should be same. The sides, all the angles, curve, measurements, how much inclination is there, how much declination is there, whatever will be there, both will be the same thing. There will be not even single difference. Then only you can say both figures are known as the congruency. Okay. Now, if you know this, like both everything should be same in both the triangles, once we will claim that both are the triangle are congruent. So can't I say angle A equals to angle P? Angle B must be congruent to angle Q. Now angle C would be congruent to angle R. Then, so if two triangles will be congruent, if you are claiming, first again I am telling you, two triangles looks like congruent, that doesn't mean they are congruent.
Okay.
You are claiming looks like means there can be a might of, let's suppose, 0.1 centimeter length difference is there. Can you just by looking at the figure you can figure it out the difference is there?
No, yeah, you can, but not in an actual congruent, right?
Yes. If I have two dresses and I am telling, look, okay, they are looks like a congruent. So congruency means every measurement of being minute to minute means 0.0001 millimeter difference will not should not be there. Everything will be exactly same. That's the meaning of the congruency in mathematics.
Okay.
Real world, it can be different. Okay, it looks like a same, then let's take it as congruent. We usually take it in this way. But in mathematics, if we are claiming that two things are congruent, then every part of it will be equal to each other. Now, so angle C must be equal to which angle?
Angle C will be equal to R.
R. Now what is the role of this corresponding now?
Corresponding, even in like what's it called? Those angles that are like one line here, here, here.
So
Like
this angle A,
they will
can I
also
write
be
angle A will be equals to angle R?
no.
No. This is the meaning of corresponding. Corresponding means this angle A, this point A must be aligned with angle P.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the corresponding means. Angle A can't be aligned with the R. Or someone have changed the alignment and R on the top and you are saying A is equals to R. That's not the correct thing. If you are taking A to B is equals to P to Q and then B to C is equals to Q to R, have a look with me, and then C to A is equals to R to P, then make sure that have a look here, stop writing. If I have ABC is congruent to PQR, if I have triangle ABC is congruent to triangle, this is very important, please don't miss any point. If I have ABC is congruent to PQR, that means this writing down the triangle name is very important, means this will represent you the corresponding parts. The angle A is corresponding to angle P. Yes. Angle B would be corresponding to
Angle Q.
Angle Q. These are the corresponding things I'm writing down. And the last one,
C will be
angle
equal
C
to
would
R.
be corresponding to angle R. So if you will write down the corresponding angles that are equal, so you will write down angle A would be congruent to angle P, and angle, have a look, Midni, stop writing. Angle B congruent to, okay, I thought like you are writing. Angle B is, because this is very important to understand. Once you will understand one question, rest 5 property you can do by yourself. You need to just understand only one property very carefully. Because everything is going to be the same, exactly same. The only difference will be just we will take side, angle, but the concept will be same. So have a look. So this is my angle B, which is congruent to angle Q, and tell me, speak up. Angle C would be congruent to, speak up. Yes. So tell me, angle C, repeat with me.
Angle C will be equal to angle R.
Not equal, congruent. Let's say it's congruent. Angle C is congruent with
angle R.
Angle R. Now these are the angles I have written. Corresponding angles I have written. Corresponding angles I have written. Tell me the corresponding sides.
The corresponding sides. Okay. Sides. Oh, okay. Corresponding. Can you scroll up to the triangle?
Oh no, this only this from here itself you can see. You can figure it out. That's why I've written this 2 triangles in a very large scale, right?
A B.
Very good, very good. Hold on. AB, just AB, and then mark a symbol over there. Means AB is, I am taking AB line segment. Is congruent to
PQ.
Very good. P to Q and then congruence. That's segment symbol is there, congruence symbol is there. Now, next.
B C is
Yes, very good, Medni. Come on.
congruent to QR.
You are nice. Last.
Last one is there one more? CA is congruent to Q.
Yes, that's AC.
QR. Not QR.
Not QR.
PQ. QP.
You have taken
Oh, sorry,
ANC.
PR.
Yes. These are my corresponding size. Clear?
Yeah.
Just one more point. Just one more point, and then now you can take a note or this PQ. Either I am taking PQ or QP. Will that make any difference? If I'll take PQ, P to Q, this length from P to Q, if I'm measure, I have a measuring tape and measuring the length. If I'll take from P to Q, if I will measure from Q to P, will it make difference?
I mean, no.
No, right? There will be no difference in the length, right? If I'll measure from P to Q or Q to P, there will be no difference in the measurement. If this is my 5 centimeter, this will also become your 5 centimeter, right? The measurement will not be changed if I will measure from B to Q and Q to B, or A to B or B to A. The measurement will be same.
Okay.
That means the line segment or the sides will be same if I will write down Q to P here. Am I right?
Yeah.
So sometime maybe you will have to write down P, no, instead of PQ, you will have to write down QP. Although everything will be correct, but still you should know that we can write down PQ as a QP also.
Okay.
Similarly, you can write down QR equals to RQ also.
Isn't that the reflexive angle theorem?
Sorry.
Isn't that the reflexive angle something?
Yes. Reflective sides.
Yeah.
Yes. This is the reflective sides. RP.
Mm.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now I am done with this congruency rule. If it is clear to you, please, if you want to take a note, please take a quick note. Although, of course, I'll share this PDF with you at the end.
Okay.
And please remind me, okay?
Okay.
And we will close to this session. Then please remind me to share this PDF with you. I don't want you to wait for the other team that will share with you, and then you will see that they will share with your mom, and then she will share with you, and then you will take the notes.
Okay, I'm done.
Nice. So now let's discuss the side is, I hope it's clear to you. We will take 3 corresponding sides, and then according to that, we will do the side congruency rules. Okay. So side is clear.
Yeah.
Now,
The one we just did is the one we just did was side, right?
yes, we did just side here.
Okay.
Okay. Let's discuss the angle side or side angle side. Shall we start?
Yeah.
So side angle we have done. Now let's discuss the side angle side. For the side angle side, we will have 2 sides and then 1 angle between them. Now I hope this word between means it's clear to you. Great. So AB is congruent to PQ and AC is congruent to PR that I have written over. See, have a look. This is something that you will have to write down. AB is equals to PQ, AC equals to PR, and then third thing is given is I need 3 measurements, and third thing given is angle A equals to angle P. Correct? Now, therefore, from all 3 measurements, I can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Now the rule will be changed by which rule?
By side angle. By side angle side.
Yes. Why? Because we have taken 2 sides and then angle between them, isn't it? We have taken these two, one side, the other side, and then angle between them. So that's why we will write down by side angle side congruence rule or congruence theorem. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Yes, you can take a note for this one.
Okay. So we already have a lot of notes on this. I just a quick note.
Yeah, please.
I took notes.
Nice. Okay. So, Medni, if 2 triangles you are claiming that they are congruent, what's the next property that we use?
If 2 angles were congruent.
2 triangles are congruent, then one property, which is this one, corresponding parts of congruent triangles will be equal.
Yeah.
That should be the next thought in your mind.
Wait, is the corresponding parts for all the properties?
Yes, corresponding parts of any congruent triangle. There is nothing property mentioned.
Okay.
If you are claiming that 2 triangles are congruent, doesn't matter which property you are using. You are saying that they are congruent. That means at that moment you are claiming that all the corresponding parts of the congruent triangle will be equal.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So in short, we will call it as CPCT.
CPC?
Let me tell you. CPCT.
CPC.
Corresponding part of congruent triangle.
Corresponding part of congruent triangle.
Yes.
Okay.
Done. Nice. So let's see some more question on side angle side. Now I think you can move here and try some questions. See, so side angle side theorem. I hope the statement is clear to you. Let's try this question. We have using the side angle side congruency theorem proof that if given that AB is congruent to DA and BC is parallel to AD. See, you know that.
Parallel? Okay.
Sorry,
But parallel angles, parallel lines are always congruent.
no. Parallel lines means what? Now, if we have a
Parallel
parallel,
lines like across each other, but they're always congruent.
correct. This is congruent, right? This two angles. This is my alternate angles will be congruent, right?
Hmm.
Alternate angles will be congruent. This side is already given congruent. This
Hmm.
side is equals to this side.
Hmm.
So this is the angle will be equal to this angle. The reason is alternate interior angles are equal in parallel lines, correct?
Yeah.
So angle this one, which is my angle one, let's take, and this is angle number two. So first thing is, sir, I have a BC is equals to. So first of all, I write down whatever it's given. So sir, I need three measurements. I need three measurements. And what are the three measurements here? Let's start. So sir, directly it's given that BC is equals to DA. So I no need to think about more. So BC is already given equals to DA, which is given, I will write down. Second thing is BC is parallel to AD, but parallel is not of my use. I will use the property of the parallel, and according to the property, angle BCA equals to angle DAC. Means angle 1, the BCA is my angle number 1, and DAC is my angle number 2. So both angle are equal by alternate interior angle theorem. Now next the third one. Third one is my, you can see this AC. Now have a look first. This AC is something which is same in both triangles. Means AC will be equals to CA, which is my reflexive property of congruence. Right? Any line is equal to itself. So I have two sides. You can see here. This side I have taken. This side I have taken, and this angle I have taken. And then again this side I have taken. So which property is this? So side, angle, side,
Which one?
congruence theorem. So I can write down two triangles are congruent, A, B, C, and C, D,
CD.
E will be congruent by the property side, angle, side congruency theorem. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes, please take a quick note of this one. I've